Most dangerous ocean creatures. Though scientists have only explored 5% of the world's oceans, they've already discovered about 230,000 various nautical creatures, with new ones identified every year. Some of the ocean creatures have brought us nothing more than fear and fatalities. And no, we're not talking about sharks. Here are some creatures you would not like to encounter while swimming in the ocean. Number 10. Lionfish. Adorned in bold maroon, brown and white stripes, lionfish drift through the water by gently waving their fan-like fins. Floating tentacles frame their faces, making lionfish appear soft and delicate. But beware. These mysterious beauties come armed with venomous spines, and they are invading tropical waters around the world. These docile fish sport a striking fan of venomous spines. Although not fatal to humans, the spines deliver a painful sting that can cause headaches, vomiting, and respiratory distress. Number 9. Pufferfish. There are more than 120 species of pufferfish worldwide. Most are found in tropical and subtropical ocean waters. Almost all pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin. To humans, tetrodotoxin is deadly, up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. There is enough toxin in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. Here is a fun fact. Dolphins sometimes use pufferfish to get high. Number 8. Sea snake. Highly venomous marine snakes that can be found in Indian Ocean and Pacific Oceans. They can reach a maximum length of between 4 and 5 feet. Sea snakes aren't aggressive animals, but due to the amount of toxicity, they are in the list of most dangerous sea creatures. Human attacks are rare, but better keep an eye on a sea snake when it is around. While sea snakes outvenom their terrestrial counterparts, they're highly reclusive and so not much of a threat. Number 7. Stingray. Stingrays don't typically attack humans. The majority of stingray incidents happen when divers and swimmers accidentally step on them, causing the stingray to defend itself using its sting. There are some stingray species which can be fatal. Better watch your step when you dive. The tail of a stingray is capped with a roughly 8-inch spear made of the same stuff that makes up shark scales, known as dermal denticles. The spear, which stiffens when the stingray feels threatened, is serrated like a steak knife and packs a venom that can be deadly to predators. While a stingray's venom can do serious damage, the most destructive part of the sting mechanism can actually be the barbs on the spine. The sharp tip of the sting enters a person pretty smoothly, but its exit is roughly equivalent to backing up over those severe tire damage blades. Number 6. Great white shark. Great whites are the largest predatory fish on Earth. They grow to an average of 15 feet in length and weighing up to 5,000 pounds have been recorded. They have slate-gray upper bodies to blend in with the rocky coastal sea floor. They are streamlined, torpedo-shaped swimmers with powerful tails that can propel them through the water at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. They can even leave the water completely, breaching like whales when attacking prey from underneath. The nature of the great white is often misunderstood. The great white is not out on a mission to attack every human being that steps foot in the water. The great white tends to attack humans when they are hunting for food. It's nothing more than basic instinct. Number 5. Stonefish. Stonefish are masters of camouflage and can blend in so perfectly with their surroundings that their prey, predators, and even human scuba divers have trouble seeing them at all. They almost always sit perfectly still on the sea floor in their preferred habitat of coral and rocky reefs, and their colors are often a perfect match for the substrate. The fish is venomous, dangerous, and even fatal to humans. They are the most venomous fish known. It's the dorsal fins you have to be worried about, which are sharp enough to pierce through a shoe, so watch your step. Number 4. Crocodile. Saltwater crocs have earned a reputation as one of the wild kingdom's most ferocious predators. They can grow more than 20 feet long and weigh 3,000 pounds, and they have been known to hunt a wide range of prey, including monkeys, kangaroos, buffalo, and even sharks. Relying on purely brute strength, they are capable of dragging down water buffaloes and have occasionally victimized humans. Using an attack method known as the death roll, crocodiles kill their prey by latching on with their jaws and then taking down the dinner with a powerful, twisting roll. The technique is also employed to break apart large animals. Number 3. Blue-ringed octopus. At first glance, the blue-ringed octopus looks perfectly innocuous. Its psychedelic coloring and pint-sized packaging make it seem adorable. But don't let its cuddly exterior fool you. This tiny octopus can kill you quickly. Native to the Pacific Ocean, the blue-ringed octopus can be found in the soft, sandy bottom of shallow tide pools and coral reefs. This cephalopod feeds on small crabs and shrimp. If you catch them outside of their cozy hiding spots, it's easy to see how the animal gets its name. When threatened, bright blue rings appear all over its body as a warning signal to potential predators. Although all octopuses are venomous, the blue-ringed octopus is in a league of its own. Its venom is 1,000 times more powerful than cyanide, and this golf ball-sized powerhouse packs enough venom to kill 26 humans within minutes. It's no surprise that it's recognized as one of the most dangerous animals in the ocean. Number 2. Killer cone snail. When thinking about the most dangerous sea creatures, snails are quite unlikely to come to mind. And that's why it might come to you as a surprise. Cone snails are only up to 15 centimeters long and look quite innocent, but a single drop of their venom is enough to kill 20 men. If you are an enthusiastic shell collector, we recommend you handle these fellows with care. Cone snails are far cry from aggressive chasers, but rather harpoon their prey with hollow teeth and inject lethal venom through. Cone snails can be met in the deep reef waters all the way from the Indian and Pacific Oceans to the Caribbean and Red Seas, and also along the coast of Florida, but the ones lurking in the Indo-Pacific region tend to have more harmful toxin than others. Do not try your luck anywhere with these creatures. The nickname for cigarette snail derives from the fact that after a sting, you'll have just enough time to smoke a cigarette before you die. Number 1. Box jellyfish. The most dangerous creature in the ocean doesn't have a venomous bite, rows of sharp teeth, or even an obvious mouth for that matter. While no official tallies exist, probably dozens of people and perhaps more than 100 die each year from the many species of box jellyfish that exist in all oceans. One Australian box jellyfish can have dozens of tentacles, each up to 15 feet long, with enough toxin to kill 60 people. The sting of a box jellyfish can kill a person in less than 3 minutes. Their venom is considered to be among the most deadly in the world, containing toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. It is so overpoweringly painful, human victims have been known to go into shock and drown or die of heart failure before even reaching shore. Survivors can experience considerable pain for weeks and often have significant scarring where the tentacles made contact.